All right, this is gonna be a quick little video. This is right after I finished the last one, and I want to make this a little cleaner. It's messy, and I think there's a way we can figure out some de-nesting or something. So let's get rid of these comments from last time. My explanation for trains, which I will no doubt explain again. We get rid of this log. I'm sure we'll bring it back in a second. And let's we still have the answer yet. What was this? Oh, another thing. Don't worry about it. Okay, we don't need this anymore. We don't need this for now. We can uh, we can keep this for now, and we can just commit this, clean up. Okay, so basically, I see like a million. Zoom in a little bit. It's always easy to edit after that. I want to basically just see if there's like some way here. I'm noticing, for example, uh, we like split by semicolon, then split by semicolon again, which feels feels like it's a weird. Let's see what we get here. Okay, we'll go back to the sample here. I also realized for this symbol here, I was wondering what the deal is, but this is basically. Oh, never mind. Okay, never mind. This is equivalent. Actually, what is this? This is what I'm currently doing. Oh, I see. Okay, so this is my value, that my variable or whatever. This is apply f to n and then reassign it. So hold on. This is part of cleaning, I guess. We're at the sample. We don't have this. Okay, so here we have our foo, which is our favorite 123 variable, and we're gonna show foo. Show foo. Perfect. We can, well, go back to our changes here and figure out where the this one was. Delete this because we don't need this for now. Now I'll go back to the forward changes or go top of file. Excellent. Anyway, so foo is here. So now if I went based on that thing here, if I did this and I did 1 plus, would that add 124? No. Okay, so it has to be a partial function or whatever. Oh, interesting. Because yeah, this this is, as far as I know, equivalent to, like I said in the last video, this. Interesting. I don't know. I wonder when this would be useful, actually. Because again, sorry, and just to be clear, it's this. If I don't assign it, it's this. Uh, Interesting. Anyway, I'll deal with that later. So back to our show scenario here. So I've split on semicolons. Oh, but this isn't splitting by semicolons. This is removing semicolons. I see. And I guess this is the pattern you can see. Well, I guess we copy and paste a few times, but like this is copied here, and it's copied here. Just the characters is the different again. So I wonder if this is like how we did split by. If we did, actually, sorry. Well, yeah. I could do remove by, but this is also the same. It's also the same situation as before, where it's definitely more characters. So whether it's actually like nicer is unclear to me. That's compiled. Okay, so now we do this. Yeah, this feels like a lot of characters. Uh, where's our other ones? Yeah, so again, I'll have to wait for a BQNer to tell me what's what here. And I guess remove by just seems like it just should be remove. And then yeah, then so I don't need this. Okay, I can get rid of these now because that's the same, and I can get rid of these now. Okay, so okay, now this is interesting. Can I do this? Is this still the same? This is not, because this is linking these guys or something. So if I wrap these back in parentheses, that is the same, which I can then get rid of these guys. Okay. Now is this easy to read? I don't know. Uh, where else? What else are we doing? So this is another mask, but we want to filter on non-equals. Okay. So again, this is probably not necessary, but we can do uh, mask 0 or something. Mask out 0. I'm concerned that no, we don't want this. We want like well, we just have X in this case. What do we call it? Well, it would just be X, I guess. We have this. Again, you'll see what I'm copying here. We're just replacing this, right? That should compile. Oh, X because I wrote the literal X. And then now that compiles or whatever, and then parses, I guess. So this could be mask out 0. Okay. And again, I don't know if this is. Oops. Oh, okay. So this is subtle difference. So this one has the each call here. Yeah, I wonder. Well, okay, then I won't mask out 0 here, and I'll just leave it. And I guess so. If well, I like showing it because it's nicer to read, but there's a little bit of I don't. So I can chain these without having a. So okay, what I'm saying is around here and then around here. I thought there was a way to expand the selection. But anyway, in Vim, sorry. But this left. There you go. This is already actually no. These guys. Shoot, my fingers are. Whoops. What's going on here, guys? GB. Nope. Doesn't matter. Sorry. These are already in the same scope. So instead of having to loop over this, I think I could potentially get rid of this and do this because it's a 2-chain. No. But now I'm wondering because I want to like bring these in a scope of. Is this not the right thing? Because I was thinking that this is already like running per the thing, so I just want to based on the thing that comes out of it. I want to like this is already giving me a per thing, and I'm gonna get the results back of this. So if I could pull this in here, like that feels like the same thing, but it's not, and it's not because of this. Like this is what I just did, I think. Again, uh, the error is telling me about slash, but this is apparently because of CBQN doesn't have a bytecode or something, and IR intermediate representation or something. I don't know. Even though it says right here, so what do I know? Uh, and I don't know what W or X is in this case. I don't want to print it out, so I'll leave it out. I'll leave it unexpanded and just have to imagine. I'll just imagine why that is the case. Wait. Hey, this is okay. Uh, then from here, does this mean that we don't need this one? Okay, good. We're getting a little tidy. Again, legibility I don't know about. I think this is where I was already, but there's a lot of nesting here that I don't think is correct. But I'm already. If that would have worked, then I could have also done the same thing for this guy. But again, if it didn't work before, it's not going to work now. The same problem. I'll look at that later. I'll look at it later. Okay, and then what is this doing? This mask here is I'm doing the this bit, right? So I can split by semicolon, maybe. Yeah, I'm not using mask anywhere else, or group mask anywhere else. Okay, so I can do this. I think this split by. Yeah, perfect. I can get rid of this. A little cleaner, I guess. And the reason I'm I'll get rid of this one. So I'm trying to think. The reason I'm dropping one is because I don't care. Is I don't care about the game prefix. Okay, which is fine. So then before that, then from each I'm just dropping the first character. All right, okay. I'm dropping these two guys again for each one, which is safe to remove. Now, is this any cleaner? I don't know. I bet you. There's probably a way to like no, I guess not. Because I'd have to. There's not a way to inline this or whatever, like call a function to split on the two arguments or whatever. But that doesn't make sense either way. So this is gonna be as close as it gets, probably. Right? Because there's no. I'm trying to think. Is there a way to take a value and take its first two elements without doing what I'm doing? Like there might be. There might be, but I don't know. I don't know what bins and grades do. Bins and grades, yeah. It's something to do with sorting or whatever. It's like I think this is like almost like sorting, but then oh, bins by name search, whatever. I'll ignore that. But if this was sorted, it would look like order. Like this one would be first. So index 2 would be first, which is this one. Index 1 next. Index 0 would be next. I think that's what that is. That's not helpful. I'm gonna ignore these guys. I'm gonna ignore these guys. This is the inverse. I think this is table. Table is like combinations or whatever. Yeah, that's not what I'm looking for. Okay, we're gonna have to see where. It's just not. It's not a thing. It's just not a thing. So. Uh, okay, but we know that the first element. We know that this is the first element, and this is the second element. So again, this is probably more legible now. But if we change this to nothing, and then say count is the first element of x, and color is the second element. To make sure this is still correct. Okay, good. This. Whoops. Can this maybe be a train? Because then I can simplify this to no. This is there's something here. There's something here. Because before, right? This I don't know which one it is, but it's one of these where I apply f before g. That's compose or whatever. Maybe not. Yeah. It calls this on W first, then passes the result into this. Is that what I want? I wanna call this, or I wanna call this first. And which one's dyadic here? G's dyadic, yeah. Lookup. Okay. Okay. Let's try. So I'm thinking. So if I do x, All right, and this is before. Look up color. No. Oh, because we need this. This. No. Uh, surely this is not the case. Oh, he's jumping. Okay, hold on. This is messy. Okay. We lose legibility. Uh, uh, hold on. I'm deep in the thought tank here. Uh, grab valids. Second part, I think, must be functions. That's okay because. Oh no. This is this. Uh, fuck. Is it this? Second level. Okay. Well, this is fine. No. Okay, I lost it. I lost it. Is this a thing? Oh, I don't know. I'm just kind of guessing here. Oh, because X doesn't have a thing. Oh, oh. Okay, hold on. Then that means I can get rid of. This is not. There's no way you'd call this more legible. Okay, okay. I'm curious now though, because we're going down here. Uh, B, right? B. There you go. Backtick. Okay. Then we can return this. Excellent. So then we can also do this, right? Because we can have this, this. Okay. Look at this. Uh, but this again has the same. Again, this is not legible, but this has the same problem. No. Can I do this? Oh, that went bad. What made this? Wait, why would? Oh, because this now turns into this, which is not what I want. Okay. Unless unless I turned this. Okay, that means I can get rid of this guy. Okay. Okay, and then which then of course means I can do this. Oops. This to this to this. Okay, we're close. We're close. Okay. 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 This is disgusting, but you might call this beautiful. Okay. So then parsed games is actually this. Oops. This. Go here. Okay. What did games? Oh, I got or just data, I guess. Lines. Lines. Is it, I thought I. Okay, there you go. What did I do here? What was this? What did I? Oh, I. Oh no. There's a Tmux button. Excellent. Okay. There's no way. There's no way a person could look at this and be happy that they read in this. But I mean, that's possible. So I mean, likewise, again, you could do this. Okay. I'm back here again. Do I need to get rid of this? No, yeah, okay. You have to keep that. What else is left? What is bar? Who gives a hoot? It's nothing now. why doesn't? Oh, because X is implicit in this, but that's fine. So this would become this. What is going on, man? Uh, so I mean, I guess this is the more tacit. This is the more tacit way. Do we need? Do we really need game IDs? Do we need? We don't need wins. We don't need that. We could just have this, I think. Oh no no. Yes, this is game IDs. So that's left. So that's this. I think we're gonna. It's not game IDs, but yeah, we can call it there. There you go. And then okay. Again, I really this is some sort of evil, man. I don't like that this is like, you know, how you would do it. Maybe surely there's some thought. I'm just let's add comments, I guess. No, no comments. Is there a chance that these are optional now? No. Okay, that's fine. We were just here a second ago. I cannot. Yeah, I don't know. But I mean, you could basically say at this point that the code is. We can get rid of. Well, I don't know if Vim lets me do this. If I do this, does it? You can do. There you go. 588 characters, and a lot of that is because I just have names. Uh, yeah, I guess that's it. I'm just looking to see if there's any more obvious things. I guess I read in the docs that duplicate parens can be deleted. So if I go here, that's probably fine. And is it the same case? Yes, that cannot be deduplicated more. Any more duplicate parens? This one is uh, required, right? Yeah, but maybe not this one. Oh God, which definitely means this one is not. Okay, and then what is this wrapping? All that. Okay. Does that make this now optional? If it wasn't already? No. I think anything else? Uh, I'll fix the indentation here. Yeah, I guess. I guess that's it. Yeah. I enjoy, man. This is what. Again, sorry. Just to be clear, I guess that if they would make a function, they'd call it like S or something, and they'd call this R, I guess. I wouldn't go that far, but that's what they could do. But cool. I would call this illegible. Yeah, I'd call this illegible. I would. There's too much logic in here, and I can't imagine that this would be what you'd want. But let me know. Maybe I'm just talking a lot about how it's impossible. Maybe this is really what people would prefer once you're good at it. Like you can't even. To me, there's not enough not enough structure in the code that tells you anything. I guess like you can recognize this, right? This pattern I've seen before, which I guess is literally Well, no, isn't this just a fork? Hold on. Or a train? Huh. Huh. A fork in all cases? That's the right answer. Or no, I don't know. I keep saying forked, but if that's the case, though, why would you ever want to use that? Okay, well, actually, then, being this is a fork, I know I can get rid of, or fucking, shoot a train. I can get rid of these guys. Delete surrounding left quotes. That's fine. That also means I can get rid of these two. No. Oh, yes. Okay. And then the forks now can be chained. No? Uh, why not? Oh, okay. It can't because if I chained them, I wouldn't get the result of this thing. But I'm curious though if I can move these out. Oh, on my tracker. Sorry. Oops. I broke something. That's fine. So if I delete two x of these. No. Just trying stuff. Uh, I'm back here again, but splitting the result of this. Oh, that works this time. Okay, but not here. Yes, here. Because like in my mind, again, I'm thinking that these could all be like cut out and joined together, but I'm just not thinking about the right order or something. If I could understand if there's like some sort of I could just put random characters in to see if it'll I'm just yeah, I'm not gonna worry about that one. All the bags. Oh, and this doesn't need this anymore, right? Because that's a function. An X. Oh, X being a game, I should say. Sort of legibility there. Okay. Can I read what this does before I shut this down here? You split by rows. So for every line of the file, you row. You split by colons. You drop the first element of it. Then from each list or whatever, you drop the first two chars, which I know is a colon and space. And from here, for every one of these now rows split into games, because the game is containing grabs or whatever. So each game. Oh, okay. Let me. Yeah. So each game is this. So this is one game. Then I split by semicolons. Then for each one of these, I remove the semicolon and then split on commas. So then I remove the semicolons and then split on commas. Yeah. Okay. This is more legible. I'll give you that. This one is more legible. I'm trying to see. Besides, like it's not cleared, like there's no comment explaining. This I can believe, I guess. So what is this doing now? Bag of games. I got the first. Oh, because it's a nested list for some reason or something. So again, I tried this last time where I did this. Yeah, okay. I got an error now, but I'm not gonna wonder why. Uh, so I get the first. I'll get rid of my show game here. What is this? Oh, that messy thing. Oh, I was thinking about this offline or whatever. I think the reason sometimes they're curly, sometimes they're squared, is that they were all the same shape, maybe, because it's hard to tell. But can I do this? They're all two. No, they're three. Okay, I have no idea. Perfect. Um, this is masking something out based on something, based on whether it equals zero. But what is it in particular? So, what is this? I'm gonna ignore the parsed float and just say each one of these. Oh, the length. Sorry, this the length is not equal. Okay, you're right. All right, that's the pattern. The length of each nested one is not equal. Then from ones that aren't equal or aren't empty, we remove the spaces because we got trim spaces, and then uh, we parse the first float. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's 2/3 of this. That's more legible to me now. Okay, hold on. What is this last beast? Oh my god. Uh, okay, we parse row. Okay, so we run this on each of those lines, which I accept as a unit of work. Okay. Okay, so now just this little bit here is got to be parsed. So which I already know. I already know this is summing. Oops, my is like caps lock's on. I think it is. Hold on. There you go. Caps locks is the. I don't know if you can hear that, but caps locks is devious in Vim. So from each row. Now, oh my goodness. Okay, hold on. But okay, okay. This does the lookup. So based on context, I can tell you that I know that the lookup must be looking up the color. But is there a way I can get that at a glance here for this guy? What does I see? Yeah, see now I'm losing the context. What does row return? Parsed row return. I have to remember that. But I know it's a list of games, and I know that each. Yeah, yeah. See, so now that I don't have the whole thing in my head, I don't remember the state of it. So now can't I can't just read the name of like whatever row we're parsing and understand back where I was. But if I try really hard, I remember in this simple case that I have a list of pairs of numbers uh, to colors, and then uh, so for each game, I'm then looking up for each pair. Oh no, because yeah, for each row, then for each game within the row, then for each grab within the each row's game, each game's hands, and then from which in each hand is a grab. So this is per grab. Uh, takes. Oh wait. Surely this is what I was already doing, and I got rid of it just a second ago. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, I broke it maybe because it's the. Yeah. Okay. Right. 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 Okay. Okay. This is yeah. It's like this basically. This is the train. I see. Okay. Okay. Hold on. So I'm back to where I was. So this is I'm trying to see if I can visually parse this at a glance, even though I know it's taking the first and the thing element, but how do I look at this at a thing at a glance from a high level to figure out that this is going to be the that I guess. So I identify that as a train. Then I take the edges first, or the wings, the text. The notch. There's a name for it. Um, take the first element, whatever it is, and take the one element, second element. Then I call lookup on. No, I only call lookup. I call lookup on the color. Oh, okay. Hold on, though. What does this thing do again? This supplies G as the right argument. No. Uh, After. Apply G to X. Okay, okay, good. So this. Oh, apply G to X. So this is getting applied first, and then it's being passed to this. So it's a little like this, but only on the left argument or something. That's not exactly right. Okay. Okay. So then now obviously we OR them to find the lowest value in the list. Then that gives us each grab's hand. Then we summarize each game's total. We join them to make it a flat map from our last session there. And we got our train that at a glance does what? On the right side, it checks the length of the object of X, uh, ranges it, then plus ones each one. Then you use that as a mask to filter at X. Let me sum it up. Huh. I guess it's not unreadable. I gotta see. I gotta code this. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna. Oops. Oops. Come on. Okay. Make a solution for 2023 day one. Day one. Part one. Tacit. I might like this more. We'll. I don't like the question mark. We'll see tomorrow. Next time. Okay, and then we I think I can G read the previous head or head this. No, that's not what I wanted. Um, G read head, or is it percent? Okay, it's that with this. There you go. So this is so easy. Vim's easy. Oh my goodness. Okay, now I gotta wonder. is this more? Is this more legible than the other one? And again, it still adds plus eight, or yeah, the final version of this is our tacit version. Oh man, I don't know. Okay, you have to let me know what you like better, because this is we made it pretty. Uh, I can look at the variable names though. I can look at the variable names and look at a glance. But I don't know. But then this is just kind of like this is just saying the answer. I don't know. Well, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think, and yeah, keep me posted on what ends up being your favorite because I'm torn after doing it. Thanks.